I bet you didn't know snow geese travel thousands of miles each year. Let's dive in. These white-feathered wonders migrate in massive flocks, sometimes numbering in the thousands. Picture a snowstorm of birds. Stunning, right? They breed in the Arctic tundra and winter in the southern US. How do they travel so far? Teamwork and strong family bonds. Snow geese also have a unique honking call that keeps them connected during long flights. And their synchronized flying patterns? It's like watching a ballet in the sky. Next time you see a V formation, give a nod to these incredible navigators. Stay curious, nature lovers.